Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video, we are going to look about the top 3 picks, mid-cap picks of this month, January. So let's get into it.
Alright, guys, for our top 3 picks of this month, mid-cap picks of this month, we are going to first look at NHPC. If you take a look at weekly chart, the NHPC is currently at the previous level of resistance. So the market is staggering here. If the market closes above this level, which is around 33.60, 33.50, we can go for a buy in NHPC. If the market closes above 33.50, above the resistance level, if the market breaks that level, we can go for buy in NHPC, and the targets will be around the previous high, which comes around 36.50, on the all-time high, which comes around 40, 43, 40, think 42 rupees. So after the market has given us the breakout, we can go for buy in NHPC. This is our first stock. Our next stock is Biocon. So if we take a look at Biocon, as we can see here, the market is forming a head and shoulder pattern. As you can see here, there are two shoulders and one head. The market is forming a head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern. It has a high possibility to go up. So if you want to go for buy here, you can go for buy here, buy at CMP, current market price, and the targets will be around previous high, which comes around 419. 420. If you go for buy here 377, we can expect the first target to come around 420, and the second targets will, if the market continues to rally up, we can expect the market to reach the previous high, which comes around 480 also. So this is for Biocon, and if you take a look at Biocon, there is also another pattern. Market has given us 0.618 retracement here. We see here closely, the market has given us a retracement around 0.618. If you want to go for buy, we can go for buy. Biocon is a good script. So for the next script, we are going to look at JSW Energy. If you take a look at JSW Energy is an uptrend. So the market is giving us a correction. The correction is around 0.382 retracement. The correction is nearly around the 0.382 retracement. If you want to go for buy here, we can go for buy, or if the market continues to come down for a little more correction, we can expect the market to come around 0.5 also, which comes around 220. So wait for the market. If the market gives us your correction, we can go for the buy in 220 also, which corresponds at 0.5 retracement. If you want to go for buy here, which is called as aggressive trader, you can do it also. If you want to be a conservative trader or wait for some time after the market has given you the retracement, we can also go for the buy at 0.5 also.
So alright guys, these are the top 3 picks of this month, January 2020. So if you want to buy or go for long-term investment, first do your own research and ask your financial advisor if this is a good stocks and all the other stuffs. So I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching. Take care.